Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol BTSC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis quite a few times in the past. That's where these red line annotations are coming from. We want to get things updated here as we head into a new week. And this one was a little bit confusing. I don't know anything about the company, but I know they do something with Bitcoin. And I know Bitcoin and a lot of the Bitcoin stocks were moving quite a bit. And this one came out of the gates roaring right there. You can see the first 30 minutes right there. Big volume, price ran all the way up there. And then the price pulled back and kind of just didn't do much the remainder of the day. Now, I'm not saying that in a bearish sense. I'm just saying it kind of has me confused because, like I said, I just follow the charts. So I don't know why all these other charts were moving so much. And then this one made a first move and then just kind of drifted downwards. However, again, talking about just strictly the charts, overall, though, the chart still looks very, very nice as these stair steps are once again still fully in play. So to kind of illustrate that, you have a stair step right there as lows. Then the price rolled back over. However, on that rollover, price only went that low. And then once again, price rolled back over and the price only went that low on that rollover. And then in the very short term, I guess, technically speaking, the bulls actually snuck out another little stair step right there. But point being, whether or not you want to count that stair step or not, that's besides the point, because the overall point here is that even with the kind of price action that didn't quite make sense, the stair steps are still very clearly heading in the upwards direction. So the bulls are still making that quiet progress. Maybe this is just going to be one of these ones that lags behind, and tomorrow will be when where the big move happens if Bitcoin stays strong and all that. But as it stands now, yeah, sort of a disappointing day knowing the context of other stocks moving. However, you still got to give the bulls credit because they're still chipping away at these higher stair steps. And at the end of the day, that's what you care about, because as long as the price is building higher bases and you stop and think about it, well, eventually the price has nowhere else to go. It runs out of room. It's got to put in new highs because it just by default, right, as something that continues to put in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Eventually, we'll have to, break through levels of resistance. So as long as those higher stair steps are in play, that's what matters. And as of right now, they are still in play. So the week is young, still 4 days left. We'll see how tomorrow and Wednesday, what that has to offer. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.